Hey everyone, welcome to Blessed and Beautiful. My name is Renee, and today I am revealing to you my filming space. My cousin has a channel, Bougie Mama on the Budget, I believe. I'll put her link down below. She has all types of videos on how to save money when decorating, throwing birthday parties, setting up financial accounts, purchasing items. She just has a lot of good ideas. And so I think you should check out her channel. And she wanted to know about filming space because her channel is fairly new and she wanted to decorate. And so I told her I would film my space. So we're just going to sweep across. This is about 1/3 of my bedroom. I'm fortunate to have a really large bedroom, and on this side that you're seeing is the filming space. All right, so we'll start over here on the left. That's the trash can. Okay, all jokes aside, this area starts like my filming space, and this is my dresser. It is a part of a set. It goes with my bed and my nightstand, and it does usually have a mirror, but we took the mirror off and we put these bookshelves on top to allow space for me to decorate and display my collection. And this is an amazing way to keep yourself from shopping when you shouldn't have to, because you can see everything. And I know maybe one day, especially my eyeshadow palettes are going to grow larger than what you see, but right now everything's out so I can see it. And if I'm looking at something that's like a blue eyeshadow palette, all of y'all know I don't need any more. I'll turn around and I'll look and I'll be like, nope, not buying it. So I have my eyeshadow collection on the bottom row, across both on the left and the right. And then on this middle shelf here are all of my lip glosses, lipsticks, and a few of my matte lips and lippies. A few, not a lot. A lot of those are in a drawer. So this area has just been getting organized. I don't like it yet, but it works for now. I got these 3 items from Temu, and they open up and you're able to get 16 glosses in. And I laid one across the top because that's where all of its friends were, and I didn't want to separate them. This one I got at Home Goods. It's probably like $5.99. It spins and it has 4 sections, and so I divided my lippies up there. And then this is that set that sits on top of another piece, and so I just used this to put lipsticks. This has lip glosses in it, and these are all lip glosses back there. Up here, Glam Light taking up a whole shelf. So these are just different things, and I have some other pretty items that I like that I'm using to decorate with, so that's why you see some of these other items. But yeah, I'm just trying to decorate, keep my stuff right now where I can see it, because for me, out of sight is out of mind. And if I don't know, or if I don't look at all my rainbow palettes, I'll be trying to buy another one. So yeah, that's what we got going on here. Oh, all my Cara Beauty palettes are here. All those right there. And you'll be seeing all of my palettes in an upcoming palette collection video. These are all of my bronzers, blushes, everything is there. So the reason why this is part of my filming space is because it's what you see as my decorative background behind me when I'm recording. And I'm not sure if my cousin would like to try something like that, but this is just one idea that she may be interested in. Now, I have a lot of stuff, and I really want to kind of pare it down some because I don't want it to start looking cluttered, which it's looking like that to me right now. But yeah, I kind of want to pare it down a little bit, or maybe, come up with a couple different solutions for storing items so that it's not so cluttered. Down on the floor is this box. That box are all of my empties. I did an empties video. I haven't edited it yet, but this is what was left. And so I need to finish that and get those out to you all. These boxes are boxes that I use for giveaways, and I have 2 giveaways coming up at the end of the month. So I'm getting my boxes ready. I have a white fluffy carpet here, and to keep makeup off of the white fluffy carpet, I have this blue that was left over from when we had 2 bathrooms, which we don't have anymore in this apartment. So I said, well, I'll put my blue here so that if makeup is flying around, it'll land on there, and hopefully not as much on the white carpet. Why I got white for a makeup section, I don't know. Don't ask. I don't know. All right. Here is 2 sets of drawers. I got these from Michael's. They were crazy to put together because the drawers needed to be built, the boxes needed to be built. Yeah, but we got them for $50, and I got through it and got them all together. And I went to Lowe's, and for my vanity top, I got 2 pieces of wood. The wood, I believe, is like 4x2, I believe, but they're not shelves. They're just flat pieces of wood. And so I told him, I was like, dude, I'll just cover them, whatever you have is fine. And so I have the 2 together like this to make my L-shaped space. Here, you can't see that I covered it, but there is an L-shaped bracket, I guess is what you would call it. And I screwed that there so that it will stabilize those 2 pieces of wood so that they would not move. And then up under here, y'all come get me if I don't get up. There we go. All right, so up under here, I have 2 of these very strong, very, very strong. I don't think they bend unless you're some, like a wrestler or something. But those also help to keep these 2 pieces of wood from moving. And then when I just thought maybe those 2 pieces of wood weren't enough, I put duct tape. Don't ask. It's there. I don't know. And because this is an L-shaped desk, didn't have anything in the corner back here to hold that end up. So I put one of these shelving units, which is decorated just like my ones that I got from Michael's. And I had to put something else, I think it's a top to a box, just to hold up that corner so that it wouldn't sag, with weight or whatever. So that's why that's there. And it used to hold my palettes before I displayed them. Now it holds my hair products and extra boxes that my products come in because I'm scared to throw a box away. Don't ask. I don't know why. Don't judge me. All right. I have some little storage stuff down there. Trash can is always underneath. And that's what the other drawer looks like. And they open up like this. And I just have like different things in here. They don't really match up as much as they did before I put everything on display because everything was stored in these drawers. I think I'm going to change that around a little bit. So right now stuff is just in there. It does have diamond pattern stuff down there. That's all my diamond painting items. Sponges. Yeah, sponges. So there is some stuff in here that matches up, but I haven't rearranged it once I put all of my items here on display. And I got those lights off of Macari. Somebody was selling them. There were 3. One of them conked out on us, so we had 2 left. All right. On top of my vanity, to help with filming, I have a ring light, which I put my phone here. I've always recorded with whatever phone I had at the time. And so that helps me to record. So if I'm doing tutorials or just a regular video, you all can see me. But then when I need you to look down at the desk or at the vanity area, I got this overhead ring light. It holds your phone right here. This ring light comes on and I can lay stuff here and let you all see it. If I want to write or draw or whatever, you all would be able to see everything right here. And when I'm not doing overhead, I can just push this up and out of the way and go ahead with my regular ring light. I have some mirrors here to help me with filming so I can see what I'm looking like. And this mirror is here to try to try to get myself to talk to the mirror so that when I am talking, I'm not looking at the camera, but I'm looking at you. And so when I push this way and then put my camera here, and I tried. Um, I can sometimes look at the mirror and make it look as if I'm looking right at you because I tend to go back and look at my face because you talk to people, you don't just talk to thin air. So if my face is there, I'm going to talk to my face. All right, on the backhand side is where all of my plugs and everything are with my strip outlet thing here. And so my everything is back here. I have two ring lights. I have one mirror with lights on it. I also have this here that says Hello Gorgeous, and it lights up pink, and it's not plugged in. So let's plug it in so y'all can see that. That means we gotta unplug something else. Oh well. Ta-da! And you all can't really see it because it's down too low, but I can tell myself, hello, gorgeous. Alrighty. Okay. Plug my light back up. Okay. The mannequin head is here because that's where she fits. There's nowhere else in this room that I can find where she fits. And so that's where she is. All right. This is my prayer corner. So I had to find a place for that to go. And this was perfect because my space is outside of where I actually view and it's behind. So it's not like out right in the way. And I like it being in a corner because sometimes I sit on the floor and talk to God. Sometimes when my back is bad, I sit on the stool. It depends on how my back is feeling. And then part of filming for me is organization. So I just got a lot of these cubby boxes in different colors that match up with my room to store stuff. So all of these are my handbags. And then this one right here is body butter. Everything else is handbags or books. I do have cereal and cleaning items in here because some days when I'm not feeling good, I'm in my room and I may eat in here. But I need to keep it, classy and clean. So I put wipes and also have some spray cleaning items as well. Oh, this is where my skincare stuff is. So that bookshelf I've had since Jalen was, that's teen editor. He was and this was his bookshelf when he was in a nursery. So we've had this for a long time, and I believe we got it from Walmart. Very good price, sturdy. All these years, these shelves have not bent at all. Amazing. And those shelves came from Amazon. And then this shelving unit, even though it's outside of my filming space, it has stuff in there that I need for like my hair. I have a whole bunch of headbands and rubber bands and just beads and everything that I need for hair care, and also bags and everything that I use to send out giveaway. So I have a bunch of recycled bags and all that type of stuff is over there, right? So that's my filming space. I hope that this answered some questions for her. I'm going to go ahead and just send this right on over. I don't really feel the need to edit. Just wanted to show you my space, and that's a fan for when we get hot. Lots of fun. Lots of fun in this space, lots of fun setting it up, and, lots of memories of different videos and everything. Lots of good lighting. That light we got from Amazon as well. It originally was in a bathroom because I hated the fan noise, and Teen Editor put it up in the bathroom for me, so I only needed to turn the fan on when I was taking a shower. But now I needed this for overhead daylight, and it really, really helps because I don't have any other type of lighting outside of my ring light. So that light really helps. And I just put a daylight bulb in it, and it's perfect. So that's my space. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you want me to put any links to any items so that you can look for them yourselves, let me know. And thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're really on our way to 1,000 and we really need more subscribers. So if you have not subscribed, put that remote down, get your phone out and connect to this video, because I know if you're watching on a smart TV like I do, you want to be able to and y'all, my phone is dying. Oh no. You want to be able to subscribe, and I would be so grateful, like so grateful if you took time to subscribe. I am trying to plug up my phone before it dies. A lot of people ask, oh, what can we help what can we do to help you with your channel? Definitely need growth. So if you have not subscribed yet, that's the number one thing. And then if you have, please don't forget to like the video, share the video. Also, if you can what else, if you can engage in the comment sections, put some questions down there or just comments where I can go in and put hearts for your comments, because I know that it tells you how many hearts you got. I don't know why, but I'm gonna give you the hearts. So if you can please just answer questions or vote on our March Madness, that would be great. Or if you just have something nice that you want to say about the topic, like maybe you want to tell us what you use in your filming area that may help my cousin out as well, that would be perfect. So we love to have you all chatting it up with us in the comment section, and I respond to all comments. So thank you so much, and I hope that you enjoy whatever it is wherever you are, because we say whether it's day or evening, whatever it is wherever you are, I hope it's good. Don't forget to pray, because we really need it, and don't forget to slay. All right, everyone, take care. God bless. Bye.